हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू सफलता बैच क्लास 25। आज हमारी 25th क्लास है। इससे पहले की चॉइस क्लासें आप प्लेलिस्ट से जाकर के ज़रूर अटेंड करिए क्योंकि वो आपके लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होंगी। आज जो है हम लोग पहले जनरल मैटर, उसके बाद में लीगल मैटर और उसके बाद में फ्रेजेस लिखने वाले हैं। ये सब आज हम कंप्लीट करने वाले हैं। स्टार्ट करते हैं। स्टार्टिंग में हमारी स्पीड 110 रहेगी, फिर बीच में मैं आपको 115 पर ले जाऊंगा और फिर वापस से 110 पर लिखवाऊंगा। तो ये फ्लक्चुएट करते हुए हम लोग ये डिक्टेशन लिखने वाले हैं। इस डिक्टेशन की पीडीएफ जो है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगी। सो इसके अलावा आप जब भी ये मैटर लिख लें उसके बाद में इसकी जितनी भी मिस्टेक्स आई हैं उसको कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइए। आज जो है हमारा थोड़ा सा अलग मैटर है, जो हम लोग रेगुलर लिख रहे हैं उससे थोड़ा सा अलग है जनरल में। तो ये आप आज कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना कि आपकी कितनी मिस्टेक्स आई हैं। सो गेट रेडी, 3, 2, 1, स्टार्ट। College life is one of the most remarkable and lovable times of an individual's life. Unlike school life, it has a different experience, and a person needs to have this experience in his/her life. It exposes us to whole new experiences which we always dream of experiencing after our school life. Lucky are those who get the chance to enjoy their college life, as many people don't get this chance due to their circumstances or financial issues. For every person, college life has a different meaning. While some people spend their college life partying with friends, others become more cautious about their careers and study hard. Whatever the way, every individual enjoys their college life and always wishes to relieve the time once it is over. Both school life and college life is the most memorable time of a person's life, but both of them are quite different from each other. While in school life we learn everything in a protected environment, college life exposes us to a new environment where we have to learn new things and face new challenges by ourselves. We spend half of our young lives in school, and thus we get comfortable living in that environment. But college life is for 3 years only, where every year introduces new challenges and lessons to us. While in school, our teachers and friends always protect and guard us. In college life, we form a relationship with our mentors, and they don't protect us all the time as our school teachers did. Unlike school life, we don't have many limitations in college life, and it is up to us how we want to spend our college life. In this life, we see new faces and experience a unique environment in which we have to mix ourselves. We make new friends there who stay with us for the rest of our lives. Also, we get a chance to shape our careers by asking the right decisions and studying hard. College life is not only about the study but also about the overall development of an individual through various activities and challenges. In college life, one get a chance to make their own decisions. In school life, students get an opportunity to be class monitors. In college life, an individual gets a chance to nominate himself for more prominent positions like college president, vice president, secretary, and vice secretary. Apart from deciding the course and stream, an individual gets a chance to build his confidence by being a part of various societies and events that take place all year. Different from school life, college life has its importance. in a person's life, and one should always enjoy his college life. College life is considered a bridge in our lives between our school days and our career. It prepares us with the financed academics and platform to generate dreams into realities. It acts as a transition to prepare us to be more independent. In school, we were dependent on our parents. However, we become independent in college regarding studying, traveling, decision making, and financially independent after college. It is a valued and very smooth transition where we do not realize that we have become independent. Some of the most fun memories of college are college canteen. The canteen is supposed to be where most of the students satisfy their hunger and hang out with their friends. Stop. सो गाइज ये फर्स्ट हमने डिक्टेशन लिखा है. इसकी स्पीड पहले तो 100 WPM पर थी, उसके बाद में हमने 110 पर लिखा और उसके बाद 115 पर. तो आई होप आप लोगों से लिखा गया होगा. मैंने फ्लक्चुएट करते हुए लिखवाया है जिससे एग्जाम में आपको अगर फ्लक्चुएशंस दिखें तो आप उसके लिए भी प्रिपेयर रहें. सो अब जो है हम लोग लीगल मैटर लिखने वाले हैं, पर उससे पहले आप इसको ट्रांसक्राइब कर लीजिए और गलतियां चेक कर लीजिए और बाद में उस गलतियों को कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइए, क्योंकि अब आपका एग्ज़ाम काफ़ी पास में आ चुका है. तो आप जो है थोड़ी और प्रिपरेशन में ध्यान दीजिए. आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ट्रांसक्राइब करिए. पहले अगर आप एक ही मैटर ट्रांसक्राइब कर रहे थे तो अब जो मैं आपको दोनों मैटर्स दे रहा हूँ उन दोनों को ट्रांसक्राइब करने की कोशिश करिए. अब हम लीगल मैटर लिखने वाले हैं. सो गेट रेडी. 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट. Learned counsel submits that if complaint is submitted to the central government, they would look into it and take a decision for transferring it to SFIO or not. Since an affidavit was asked from the concerned SHO as to why he has withdrawn the letter dated 12/11/2020 in compliance thereof, the ASI has filed its affidavit and simply stated that because the complainant he did not submit any link or details of accused persons after submitting the details of accounts of the shares and equities, the shares and equities were unfreezed vide letter dated 20/11/2020. This court finds that as the explanation is wholly dissatisfactory and investigating officer did not mention of having taken any steps to investigate further apart from unfreezing the shares, the investigation appears to be very patchy and it appears that the investigating officer does not have any knowledge in relation to the commercial frauds being done. It is also noticed that the SHO who had directed to freeze the shares was not present during the period from 11/11/2020 to 19/11/2020 and charge was with another ASI, and on 20/11/2020 the charge was with some other ASI who have returned the letter for unfreezing the shares. The applicants who have moved applications for impleadment were heard. However, it is settled law that such persons cannot be made a party in miscellaneous petition where the complainant seeks invoking of inherent powers of this court for directing firm investigation and for seeking supervision of a proper investigation in a case relating to fraud and cheating. The applicants, although may not be necessary party, but they have a right to be heard, and recognizing their locus standi, the counsels have been heard. Apparently, it is a matter which requires thorough investigation, as the allegations in the complaint and subsequent action shows prima facie a notorious method of doing away with money obtained by proceeds of crime. If shares are purchased by money acquired through proceeds of crime, it is a serious offense. It is also submitted that upon unfreezing and subsequent freezing by this court between the two dates, the applicants have purchased these shares. Their involvement may be or may not be there in the proceeds of crime, but all this is a matter of investigation. In relation to such investigation, no opportunity of hearing is required at this stage. The provisions of Companies Act 2013 were amended by adding Section 211 with the sole purpose and aim to unravel such frauds. Once it comes into the knowledge of the investigating agency, they must act with utmost vigilance and due caution in care. Keeping the said principle in mind, this court finds that essentially all the applicants who have been named above are those who have purchased shares from BSE and NSE relating to the companies which have been mentioned by the complainant in his complaint to the investigating officer. The shares were purchased earlier, they are liable to be unfreezed. However, if the same were purchased in between and if it is found that such shares were originally purchased by way of proceeds of crime, they would be liable to be confiscated. In the event, therefore, it would be all the more necessary that the present shareholders, namely the applicants, are not allowed to further sell off the shares till the decision is taken after thorough investigation by the specialized agency. Stop. सो गाइज ये लीगल मैटर लिख लिया है. आई होप आप लोगों से लिखा गया होगा. अब इसको आप ट्रांसक्राइब करके अपनी गलतियों को चेक करिए. अब मैं आपको जनरल और लीगल फेजेस लिखवा रहा हूं. सो गेट रेडी. 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट. क्लासेस, डॉर्मिटरी, एग्जाम्स, कैंपस, लेक्चर्स, parties, cafeteria, study groups, library, extracurriculars, student clubs, internships, graduation, professors, assignments, college events, college applications, career fair, research projects, student ID, campus tours, student loans, roommates, volunteer opportunities, campus facilities, graduation ceremony, midterms, finals week, college lectures, dorm life, college projects, college memories, habeas corpus, harm, harass, hearing, hire, hostile witness, hazardous waste, human rights, home confinement, hearsay, hostile takeover, garnishment, grand jury, guardian, grievance, grant, good faith, grounds, grantor, guarantor, goods, guarantee, stop. सो गाइज ये फ्रेजेस लिखने हैं. इसके अंदर जो हमने आज जनरल फ्रेजेस लिखे हैं उसके अंदर मोस्टली कॉलेज से या स्टूडेंट लाइफ से रिलेवेंट सारे ही वर्ड्स हैं. तो आप अगर इनको कवर करते हैं तो आपका इस टाइप का कोई भी मैटर आएगा तो आप उससे फेमिलियर रहेंगे. और लीगल में हमने आज लिखा है एच वर्ड और जी वर्ड के ऊपर सारे लीगल वर्ड्स हमने लिख लिए हैं. मोस्टली यही वर्ड्स होते हैं तो ये हमने कवर कर लिए हैं. तो आज की क्लास यहीं पर एंड होती है. कोई भी क्वेरी है, कोई भी डाउट है उसको कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. इसके अलावा जितनी भी आपकी मिस्टेक्स आ रही हैं या मैटर आपको कैसा लग रहा है उसको कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइए. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड गुड बाय.